The presence of multiple bystanders has the effect of creating a diffusion of responsibility, with each bystander persuaded that someone else will take the responsibility and respond to the emergency. There's a nice study that illustrates this, in which participants were asked to join in what they thought was a group discussion about college life. They all sat in individual cubicles and took turns talking to each other over an intercom system. But actually, there was only one participant and all the other speakers were just voices on a previously recorded tape. The discussion began as one of the speakers described some of his personal problems, which included a tendency toward epileptic seizures in times of stress. In the second round, when the participant got to speak to him again, he sounded like he was having a seizure and began to gasp for help. So the question is, would the participant take action to help this other person apparently in distress? The answer was powerfully influenced by the crowd size. If the participant believed that she had been just having a two-way discussion, so there was no one else around to help the person in distress, she was likely to leave her own cubicle to help. But if the participant thought it was a group discussion, a diffusion of responsibility occurred, and the larger the group the participant thought she was in, the less likely she was to come to the victim's assistance. Although an important qualification is that larger groups seem to breed less helping only when the group members are strangers. When group members are familiar with each other, larger group size can actually encourage helping behavior.